I graduated today from the course BA in Performance, BA Perfformio. I had a fantastic 2 years. We did so many different things. We learned how to perform in front of a camera. We learned how to perform on stage. We learned so much about how to channel your nerves. And without this course, I would never have embarked on something like the X Factor, because it's really given me the confidence to believe in myself. The course taught us, it was 2 years condensed, and we did stuff like Rent, the musical, I Love Your Perfect Now Change. We also did a module with Terry Dudgeon-Jones on Pablo Comset, which was fantastic. So the reason I chose this course in particular was because you learnt about dance, acting and singing, the three things that you want to learn and perfect to be a performer in the industry. And yeah, I haven't tap danced or anything yet on the X Factor, but I think this is fantastic that the course offers a module that you can decide what you do. It has to be in regards to something within the performance element of it. So I decided to write a drama. It was a challenge, and I had a mentor, Kerry Ellen, to help me. But I managed to get celebs to be in the drama, and it was fantastic. It was a fantastic evening, and I was praised on the writing, which was great because I've never written before. But I think it's a course that really does give you all aspects of performance, and then you decide then what you want to do in the end. And I don't think I would have ever gone for the X Factor had I not done this course, because okay, maybe I always sang, and I'd had experience of singing before, but it gave me confidence, and it taught me so much about myself. It taught me how to channel my nerves, to think that I can sing in front of millions of people every weekend. If you told me that 2 years ago, I would never have been able to do it. I would have been a nervous wreck. But that course taught me how to channel the nerves, and the nerves are good, and use them to your advantage.
Well, Lloyd obviously is a very talented young man. However, he's also a very unassuming individual. He cares for others, he looks after his family, but most importantly, Lloyd is Lloyd, and I sincerely hope that Lloyd will continue to be Lloyd Macey as we've known him for the last 2 years. So unassuming, so gentle, but so very talented.
I'm really, really grateful to everyone here in the university, to all the lecturers, to Gwilym Dyfry-Jones, to Medwyn, just to everyone who works hard, ensuring that we have a great degree, and we work hard, and it really does pay off. And well, it's paid off. I'm on the X Factor, and I'm in the live shows nearly halfway next week, so I'm just grateful to everyone, and I'm so excited and happy that I've graduated today with the BA Performance degree.